Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
I don't think there's going to be too many people complaining about the weather that we're going to have tomorrow. In fact, we're going to have a lot of sunshine. And I was thinking that with the Mega Millions, nearly $1 billion for the jackpot, I thought we could do our own scratch a forecast. And we all win with this one because it's going to be sunny the next 3 days. Now, Chad was talking a minute ago about how tomorrow could be the nicest day of the rest of the year. I hate to think that that's right, but it's possible because tomorrow we're going to have at least some of the temperatures in the 70s, but you can see 50s and then 40s over the next couple of days. But again, it is going to be sunny, so that means really nice weather. 48 degrees. The wind is calm in Bismarck. Humidity 68%. Minot's 51 degrees. Southwest wind at 11 and humidity right at 50%. Williston 48 degrees still. Southwest breeze 7 miles an hour. And in Dickinson 44 degrees, and the south-southwest breeze is right now at 3 miles an hour. Here are some of the other temperatures, and it's really dropped off in Hettinger. Hettinger was 69 degrees at 5 o'clock this afternoon. Still very, very pleasant. The wind has dropped off, especially in the west and the south. It has been mostly 10, 12 miles an hour as an average most of the afternoon. Right now, the strongest breezes would be east of Highway 83 or around 11 miles an hour in Minot, and that's really not that bad. Now, when we look around the rest of the country, there it is. There's that big warm front, and if you're on the west side of the warm front, it really warmed up nicely today. Again, Hettinger, nearly 70 degrees. And the other thing, when you have a warm front, it's usually attached to a low, and there's usually a cold front there. Well, there's the cold front, and that's going to get here probably tomorrow night. So tomorrow will be the warm day. By tomorrow night, the cold front will get here. In addition to cooling things off, it is going to be pretty windy on Friday, so not a real nice day to be outside. Saturday may not be as windy, but it's going to be a lot cooler. You're going to want a sweatshirt or a jacket if you're going to be outdoors over the weekend. Now, our precision cast tomorrow morning, pretty clear sky. We still have that southwest breeze, and we're going to warm up again. Like I said, tomorrow, some temperatures will be in the 70s. Most of us will be in the 60s. And then by tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock, still fairly clear sky, just beautiful weather. And you might notice here at midnight, notice how the wind's starting to change direction. Here comes the front, and when that happens, the wind's going to start picking up. It's going to get cooler. No rain or snow or anything, but still, it looks like we're looking at some cooler temperatures Friday, Saturday, and they'll rebound a little bit on Sunday. So forecast temperatures tomorrow morning will be around 40 degrees early in the day. Then once you go to lunch, I think we'll be possibly in some temperatures in the 60s. And tomorrow afternoon, look at that. We could have 70 degrees, and I think some spots might even get above 70 tomorrow afternoon. So here's a look at the wind forecast for tomorrow. It looks really light tonight. It looks light tomorrow. It's not going to be all that breezy, maybe 10, 12 miles an hour or so. So the forecast for the next several days, it is going to cool off, and I don't see any rain. I don't see any snow. Also, Lauren and Chad, next week, there are indications we could warm up again towards the middle of next week.
So we're all winners again.
Yeah.
Thanks, Tom.
Stick around for sports.